So the complete description of the structural connectivity of the human brain is what we call now the human connectome. And here you've got just a basic example of the wiring diagram of a human brain. I call this the beta 0, 1, or maybe should I say beta 0, 0, 1 version of this wiring diagram. And this is really what we aim to have. And I'd like to make the point here that actually MR connectomics is probably going to be a good bet. And you may ask, why? Well, what do we have else? There's not much techniques that I'm aware of that is able to do in vivo imaging of fiber anatomy. So MR is great because it's readily available. You can do in vivo imaging non-invasively, but you can also do ex vivo experiments. It nevertheless has got reasonable resolution, and it has got this great possibility of being combined with functional mapping, which is obviously extremely interesting. Extremely interesting, especially for fundamental neuroscience, where these wiring diagrams are going to serve as a substrate for functional connectomics that are going to be investigated with all the standard tools like fMRI, MEG, or EEG. Nonetheless, clinical neuroscience is also likely to benefit from this technology by potentially being able to identify new biomarkers for neuropathology. And here are examples of fundamental neuroscience studies applying these techniques. Small world structures, core modules, and so on. And obviously also beginning to see examples of applications to clinical neuroscience in lesion modeling, Alzheimer, or schizophrenia. So in conclusion, I'd like just to say that MR connectomics is obviously just at the beginning. We still need better imaging, better tractography, and new and better analysis and modeling tools. And this word connectomics is really mainly there to promote the paradigm shift from looking at the brain as being blobs of fMRI or tracts in DTI to a global conceptualization of the brain as being a network. So we need you here to push the envelope on these challenges, and this is why you're here, obviously. And to conclude, I just leave the space and the time for the competitors, and thank you guys and also Walt Schneider for putting up this competition. Thank you.